Hello everyone, welcome back to Sapo Channel 2. In today's video, we are talking about human digestive system. We'll explore the journey of food as it travels through the alimentary canal and break down the crucial role played by the accessory organ of digestion. Whether you are a student or curious mind or just interested in how your body works, this video will give you a clear understanding of the entire process. So, grab a notebook and let's get started. The human digestive system consists of the alimentary canal and accessory organ of digestion. The alimentary canal is a long tube that runs from your mouth to your anus. It's responsible for breaking down food and absorbing nutrients. It includes the mouth, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, and anus. Each part helps digest food and remove waste from your body. The accessory organ of digestion include salivary glands, liver, pancreas, and gallbladder. These organs help with the digestion of the food and support digestion by producing or storing substances that help to process food. Saliva is a complex oral fluid composed of water, more than 99%, electrolytes, and organic compounds such as immunoglobulin, protein, enzyme, and mucin. Bile is a greenish fluid produced by the liver that helps break down fats in the small intestine. It's stored in the gallbladder and released when needed to aid digestion. The pancreas is made up of two types of glands. Exocrine. The exocrine gland secretes digestive enzymes. These enzymes are secreted into a network of ducts that join the main pancreatic duct. Endocrine glands secretes the hormones insulin and glucagon into the blood. Swallowing. The chewed food in the mouth is called a bolus. The process of moving the bolus from the mouth to the stomach is called swallowing. 3 stages of swallowing. Swallowing is divided into 3 stages. Oral phase, which is voluntarily. Movement of the bolus from the oral cavity into oropharynx. Pharyngeal phase, which is involuntarily. Movement of the bolus from the oropharynx into the esophagus. Esophageal phase, which is involuntarily. Movement of the bolus through esophagus into the stomach. Structure and function of the stomach in the digestive system. The stomach is a muscular organ that mixes food with the digestive juices, including acids, enzyme, to break it down into a liquid form. It also helps kill harmful bacteria in food. After digestion, the partially digested food moves into the small intestine for further processing. The stomach has 3 layers of smooth muscle: longitudinal, circular, and oblique. These muscles work together to churn and mix food with stomach acids and enzymes, turning it into a semi-liquid substance called chyme. The strong muscle contractions also help move food toward the small intestine for further digestion. The lining of the stomach, especially the mucosa and the stomach inner layer, secretes bicarbonate ion to neutralize stomach acid, protecting the stomach from damage. The acid-secreting cells in the stomach, particularly the gastrial glands, do not produce bicarbonate. Instead, they release hydrochloric acid to aid digestion. The stomach has several types of cells. Parietal cells secrete hydrochloric acid and intrinsic factor. Chief cells. They produce pepsinogen, inactive form of pepsin, and gastric lipids. Mucus cells. They secrete mucus to protect the stomach lining from the acid damage. G cells. They release gastrin, a hormone that stimulates acid production. 3 main functions are attributed to the stomach acid. 1. It activates pepsinogen. 2. It helps break down food. 3. It kills bacteria in the food. Chief cells in the stomach secretes pepsinogen, an inactive form of the enzyme pepsin. When pepsinogen comes into contact with the stomach acid, it's activated into pepsin, which helps break down proteins. Chief cells also produce gastric lipase, an enzyme that begins the digestion of fats, though its role is smaller compared to protein digestion. Intrinsic gastric factor protect vitamin B12. These cells secrete gastric acid and intrinsic factor, which is a vitamin B12 binding protein. Stomach movements help mix unproper food through the stomach. These movements are controlled by the muscular layers of the stomach wall, the longitudinal, circular, and oblique muscles. The circular muscles contract to churn food, while the longitudinal muscles help push it forward. The oblique muscles provide extra strength for grinding food and mixing it with digestive juices, ensuring efficient digestion. Stomach movement mix food with gastric juices to form a semi-liquid substance called cheme. Once the cheme reaches the right consistency, it's gradually transferred through the pleuric sphincter into the duodenum, the first part of the small intestine, where further digestion and nutrient absorption begins. The small intestine is a long, coiled tube made of three parts: the duodenum and ileum. Its inner lining is covered by tiny finger-like projections called villi, which are further lined with microvilli. These increase the surface area for absorption. The main function of a small intestine is to digest and absorb nutrients. In the duodenum, digestive enzymes and bile break down food. The duodenum and ileum primarily absorb nutrients like amino acids, sugars, and fatty acids into the bloodstream. The small intestine also absorbs water and electrolytes, preparing waste for the large intestine. Large intestine. The large intestine has four parts: the cecum, colon, rectum, and anus. By the time food mixed with digestive juices reaches the large intestine, most of it has been absorbed. Water, minerals, and some vitamins are also absorbed along the way, and the remaining moves to the rectum and it's extracted through the anus. The large intestine is wider and shorter than the small intestine. The colon also houses beneficial bacteria that help break down certain fibers and produce vitamin like vitamin K. The waste is then stored in the rectum until it's eliminated through the anus. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. We've covered the amazing journey of food through the digestive system from the stomach all the way to the large intestine. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more similar video. Feel free to ask any questions or share your thoughts below. See you in the next video. Bye.